Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change Snapchat theme. And here's how it is done. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the camera screen, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the settings icon in the top right corner. On the settings page, scroll down and select app appearance under the My Account section. Here, you can choose between light mode and dark mode. If you want access to additional color themes like cotton candy, black cherry, or lavender field, you'll need to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. Tap Get Snapchat Plus to upgrade and unlock premium themes and customizations, including different theme colors, custom capture button styles, personalized app icons, badge, icon, etc. Once you're done customizing, tap Apply Theme to save your changes. And that is everything you know about how to change Snapchat theme. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.